send their chlorinated chicken and them rancid beef and all of them something to the UK. It's like them want the UK have obesity problem and health problem like what's going on in America with all of those type of foods that they have, that they consume, that disband in the UK. We don't use a lot of stuff that these people use in their country. We don't eat a lot of stuff that they eat the way they during the manufacturing process or whatever it is that they do. We don't want them kind of food there because we don't want to get big and fat and so over here. Understand me? We don't want to have no obesity crisis like you people. So you're going to force us to take